Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing well and hope you guys are enjoying your weekend. And let's quickly cover Bitcoin, okay? Now, we know that Bitcoin broke out of this major resistance line, okay? And you can see Bitcoin, as soon as it break out, you could see this massive pump towards the upside. It actually closed over this resistance, major resistance levels. Look at this. These are the major resistance level. Okay, it closed over this line. So this is a very bullish sign for Bitcoin. And I told you in my previous video, as soon as Bitcoin will close a bullish daily candle, you will see another run towards the upside. And you can see it went all the way up to close to 42,000. Okay. And now at the moment, you can see there is a lot of price action that went on in this whole area right over here. Okay. This is where the whole resistance, support, previous support, a lot of accumulation, stuff went on around this area. Okay, but now what's going on? Let's take a look. Okay, and I believe Bitcoin can have another major pump towards the upside. Okay, the reason I say that is because let me just take this off. Okay, the reason I say that is because if you go to the lower time frames, maybe the 1 hour, you can see how look at this volume that came in, major volume. It is decreasing at the moment because it's stuck in this pattern over here. Look at this, it's stuck in this range. Okay, and you can see the 20 moving average is coming in the 1 hourly time frame. If you go to the daily time frame, you can see where the 55 moving average is. Okay, we have successfully broken the 20 moving average. So that's a good sign, and you can clearly see the kind of volume that's coming over here. So I'm pretty satisfied with this volume. Now it is gonna try to come to the 55 moving average. Okay, the reason I say that, go to the 30-minute time frame and let's take a deeper dive what's going on. Okay, let's not, and you can see where the 20 moving average is in the 30-minute time frame. It's right there. Okay, so if we just draw these lines, I see this as a symmetrical triangle that's been created. You can see clearly it's in this formation. Okay, you can see this. Okay, and even if you bring the uh, line graph, you can see what kind of patterns it's kind of making, and if this makes any sense to you. But sometimes it just shows me the pattern when I bring on the line graph. Okay, so if I just do this, a breakout is coming very soon. Okay, look at this, it's coming right at the apex. Okay, and if you take the distance it can go, you could also maybe draw this line like that. Okay, and because if it breaks this and it finds resistance right over here because of the previous price action here, it can certainly create a uh, ascending triangle as well. Okay, so at the moment it hasn't created that, so I'm just going to take this off. So you can see if it goes and breaks to the upside, which I believe it will certainly do that, go to the 15 minutes. Okay, and you can see a little bit better now. So if it breaks the resistance, you can see if we just measure it from the apex right over there. Okay, it can certainly go right over here. Okay, and what is that area? Now let's go to the daily time frame and see. So you can see it's gonna come and hit at least 42,107. Okay, close to where we were earlier today. But again, it's not done yet because once it has this breakout, you will see volume coming in again. Even if Bitcoin comes back to retest this, that's still going to be a good sign because it can retest this resistance as support and then make a move towards the upside. And if you just take a look at it like that, you can see I told you this yesterday that Bitcoin had this pattern. Okay, and it broke from here, and now it broke this resistance. Coming here, getting some resistance. Now it's gonna try to come up. If it can battle this level, okay? Because this is the major resistance point right over here. If it can break about 52, 53,000 and closes the candle above it, you're gonna have an all-time high again, okay? Now let's take this off. You can see clearly we are getting some resistance here, but look at this. A breakout is coming very soon, and whenever you are in an uptrend, okay, look at this. You are in an uptrend and you create a symmetrical triangle. It's a continuation pattern. So you do break towards the upside. And hopefully, it is coming very close to the apex. Now, let's say for some reason it breaks to the downside, okay? Right over here. See, wherever the breakout is going to be from, okay? Same goes for this one over here, wherever the breakout is going to be from. But usually you measure it from the apex, okay? It's going to come right over here at this support level over here, okay? And you can see Bitcoin made this pattern over here, this pattern. Look at this, okay? This kind of pattern. It was kind of like a rising wedge, but you can see the momentum was so strong it broke towards the upside. So Bitcoin is actually gearing up for something big. I can see that because it has broken the major resistance. And a lot of people were eyeing this. Let's look at it. A lot of people were eyeing this resistance line. Okay, as soon as you broke it, you saw the big green candle come in. Now it has broken this and it is trying to get to this level, okay, 52,000. Let's quickly see it in the Fibonacci as well. Okay, so yeah, you can see it's gonna get there. The 0.618, which is at 43,747. It's gonna go in this manner. And you can see this line that I've drawn right over here. Let's see if it's accurate. Okay, the red line actually. You can see this red line. If you take your Fibonacci and just place it right over here from the top to the bottom, okay, right over here, you can see where this 0.382 level is. It's very precisely at this resistance. So you break this level, this is your major resistance, okay? If you break it, then you go battle the 58,000. But if you just break this level, I believe Bitcoin is going to create maybe an all-time high after this because this is the most major level for Bitcoin, okay? And you can see it has this neckline that it created for this bearish head and shoulder pattern, resistance from this level right over here, some resistance from here, right over here, this whole neckline. So this is the level you need to crack, okay? And that's the guarantee. Then you're gonna go towards probably 100,000s, okay? But thank you so much, guys, for watching my videos. And if you like this kind of content, give me a like. That way I know I need to keep making these analysis videos for Bitcoin. And thank you so much. Subscribe to my channel and good luck with your coin, okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.